Hi, my name is Stephen Atra, and I'm the sales manager for the Industrial Parts Washer Division here at FMT in Findlay, Ohio. Today, I'd like to talk to you about our Rotary basket parts washer. The FMT 8RB50 is a machine capable of washing 8 baskets at a time. Usually we have 4 over 4, and a typical cycle is heated wash, heated rinse, and heated dry. For precision clean applications, we can also add an ultrasonic bath into the wash cycle. So you can wash, you can ultrasonic wash, you can rinse, you can dry. You can even have a couple of rinses if you desire, along with a fresh water rinse. This machine is ideal for people that run extremely small parts, or parts that can be fit into a basket that is roughly 15 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 4 inches tall. In this particular application, if you have, let's say, a 15-minute cycle time, you're washing 8 baskets every 15 minutes, completely clean, completely dry. Typical applications for a machine like this may be a fastener manufacturer. This machine is very popular in the automotive sector, brake components, transmission components, anything that is small enough to fit into that basket. So the Rotary basket washer is a very versatile machine. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to FMT here in Findlay, Ohio, and we'll tell you all about it.